Hi guys, Tony here, and today I am announcing that I am finally monetized, and today tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano kayo papadali sa pagmo-monetize and ang process ng pagmo-monetize sa YouTube. Hi guys, Tony here, and I am here to teach you everything you need to know about money. Money hacks, money tricks, tips, investing, saving, lahat ng alam ko ituturo ko sa inyo. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and the like button and yung doorbell sign dyan para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos ko. Before we get started, I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who have watched, who have subscribed over the year. More than 1 year na po ako nag-vlog and I am finally monetized after 1 year. Yung ibang tao, mas mabilis mapamonetize. Depende yun sa kung gaano sila kasikat or gaano sila kasupported. First, I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much everyone for watching, for subscribing. I'm happy that some of you are already learning. Some of you are already asking me about some of my videos. And if you need to reach me or if you want to ask me certain questions personally, please do let me know down in the comments below or send me a PM via Twitter or Instagram. Today, we're gonna talk about the steps. I know marami ng videos about YouTube kung paano ka magiging monetized. Marami ng videos about them, but in this video, I want to dive in more specifically on the details na ano ba dapat yung i-expect. Di siya yung kagad-agad. Syempre, ang daming mga gustong maging YouTube vloggers para kumita, pero hindi po siya ganun agad-agad. And yes, there are some steps for you or some requirements for you to take in bago kayo kumita. Let's dive into detail para hindi sayang yung oras nyo. Syempre, ang daming gustong mag-start ng YouTube page, mag-start mag-vlog because of kikita sila. I will teach you by the end of the video. Bibigyan ko kayo ng mga tips based sa mga natutunan ko na pwedeng paraan para mas mapabilis ka dumating sa minimum requirement para ma-start ka agad mag-monetize. First things first, of course, the initial requirement of YouTube is for you to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a year. So, kunyari, today is July 12th. So, let's say meron kang 3,900 watch hours currently. And if you have reached that 4,000 by the end of the day, ang watch hours mo from July 13, 2019 up to July 12, 2020, 4,000 watch hours yon. And if you have 1,000 subscribers, automatically, apply ka ni YouTube sa kanilang monetization program. So, if you have reached that 4,000 within a year span, kung lumagpas ka, and malas mo kung mas mataas yung watch hours mo noong July 12, and noong July 13, 0 watch hours ka. So, babalik ka kung ilan man yung... Basta bibilangin ni YouTube yung total watch hours mo within that time frame. When you get monetized, pag umabot ka na sa 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, si Google ay sasendan ka ng email. Congratulations! And pagka-qualified ka na sa pagiging monetized, it will take 1 week, 1 to 2 weeks time for YouTube to analyze your content, to review your account. Habang ginagawa nila yun, it's time for you to create a Google AdSense. AdSense is a site where they track your Google account. Sa Google AdSense na yun, makikita mo kung magkano na yung pwede mong i-cash out. Doon lahat ng details ng pera na kinikita. So you have a minimum of $100 or 5,200 pesos minimum. Depende sa currency. Basta $100 minimum threshold. So, ibig sabihin, habang hindi pa umaabot ng $100 yung kinikita mo, hindi mo pa pwedeng i-cash out. There are 3 options wherein you can choose to cash out. That's Western Union, that's a bank transfer, and check deposit. Parang mas bet kung mag-Western Union na lang kasi parang mas matagal kapag bank transfer and check. Kasi syempre, ateng pag dumating yun, diba? When you have already created your Google AdSense account, you have to verify your address. So, put in your details there. Lagay mo lahat ng details mo, pangalan mo, address mo, telephone number mo. They need to know kung ano ba talaga ang details mo. just to be sure you are legit. Pagkagawa mo ng AdSense mo, just make sure you click on send verification code to your home address. Nakasulat kasi doon 1 to 4 weeks. Syempre sa US po yun. Tayo, sa atin, it takes, for me, personally, it took more than 1 month to get it. And yes, it's here. It will look like this. Yan, legit na tayo. Legit na po tayo. So, ito siya. Nandito po yung code sa loob. And you have to input the code inside dito sa Google AdSense mo just for verification purposes. And kapag na-verified ka na, dun ka palang pwedeng mag-cash out. If umabot ka na sa $100 threshold tapos hindi ka pa nakapag-verify, you won't be able to cash out. Okay? Just so we're clear. If you want more details, please let me know down in the comments below. May tanong kayo, hindi klaro sa inyo yung sinabi ko, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll try to answer it as fast as I can. So ngayon, as promised, bibigyan ko kayo ng konting tips kung paano mapapabilis ang pag-abot nyo sa minimum requirements ni YouTube. First things first, like any other business, yes, treat this as a business, is to find your niche. Kung ang niche mo ay pangmasa, gusto mo mag-vlog lang, go ahead, vlog about your day. If you are like me, I talk about personal finance, I talk about business, how to earn money, how to grow your money. Yun po yung target audience ko. Yun yung niche audience ko is those who wants to earn money. Now, you have to find your niche, either tech, ikaw pong bahala. Now, why do we need a specific audience or bakit mo kailangan ng niche audience for your YouTube page? Siyempre, kunyari may specific audience kayo tapos nagustuhan niya yung content nyo, mas mapapa-subscribe sila kasi alam nilang nakaka-relate sila sa topic mo or gusto nilang mas matuto about sa topic na pinili mo. Like for me, I talk about personal finance, about growing your money, investing, and yung mga subscribers is mostly mga taong gusto pang matuto. And more likely, kapag na-tap mo yung market na yon, they will likely to subscribe because syempre yung content mo nakaka-relate sila. You have to key in that topic or content is very, very important when you're creating a YouTube page. Ngayon, kapag gumawa ka ng content kasi, si YouTube kasi natidetect niya yung type of audience na nanonood sa'yo. The more na pare-parehong mga type of audience or mga viewers na nanonood sa'yo at nakita niya yung similarities, mas mapapapunta ni YouTube yung mga taong ganon sa profile mo. So, the more you dive in on a specific audience, yun yung i-focus ni YouTube na ibabato sa'yo. Kaya, mas mapapabilis yung pag-monetize mo kasi mas maraming manonood sa'yo na audience na ma-retain mong manonood sa'yo. I hope that was clear, but if it was not, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll explain it better. The second point or the second tip that I want to share is make sure your content is whatever you're discussing is visible to other videos na nagawa mo before. If you have noticed, I have been pointing here and here kasi when you create your YouTube videos, kailangan may relate siya kahit konti sa past videos mo or since may target audience ka nga, makaka-relate sila sa mga earlier videos mo and the more you point your audience to the specific videos that they want to watch, the more that they will watch. So yung watch hours mo, lalaki at a smaller time frame. Let's say, I got a new subscriber who was interested in the stock market, but is willing also to invest in other ventures. You point them to your other videos that is relatable to your current video right now, mas mapapanood mo pa sila. Gusto ni YouTube yon na yung isang tao ay magstay longer sa app nila. The more you make people watch, the more YouTube will appreciate you and will reward you with better subscribers, better viewers. Now, when you create the content, make sure you recommend some of the videos like what I have did. I created a video about making your own online business, which I will link here if you're interested. Who knows? Throughout the video, I've been pointing here, nung video na yon and some other videos, I've been pointing in this area because this is where it pops out. Tinuturo ko created videos na nakaka-relate sa unang video na yon. So, I created how to get your suppliers for your online business, how to market your business for your newfound business, okay? And so on. You get that point? I hope you get that point. And the third tip is to make sure you interact with your audience. And that's a very, very important that some YouTubers don't get to do. And for me, I try to really respond and thank everyone in the comment section. The more you interact with your audience na nakikita na, active yung comment section niya, ibig sabihin, hit tong video na to. Most likely, YouTube will recommend you more just because people are interested, people are commenting. So, sa algorithm nila, nababasa na, okay tong video na to, I will recommend this video more sa search. And more likely, marami or may magpipindot nito kasi active nga yung comments niya sa baba. So, for the algorithm, please comment down below. Basically, that's about it. If you have any suggestions, if you have more tips, if you want me to dive or discuss tips on about YouTube, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll discuss it with you guys. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two, and I do hope you follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I do hope to see you again soon.